Alright, today I want to go over some of the functions of the Chain Shark with you. We've already got it correctly installed onto the chain grinder. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and connect up your foot pedal. This just slides in here like that. Set her down on the floor. Next you want to remove the old depth control knob. You're not going to need that anymore. Alright, this button up here now controls your depth. Move it in and out to whatever depth you want to grind your chain at. This is your speed control knob. This controls how fast the head goes up and down. Forward, neutral, reverse. And this is your indicator light. Tells you that everything's powered up. You want to unplug your sharpener every day after you're done sharpening. Over here we got a little fan back here to cool the power unit. You want to check that over and make sure it's not full of debris. Maybe vacuum that out once a month. That's pretty much it on there. Got a few safety items here. Gloves. Should always have yourself a good pair of safety glasses. And I like to wear a respirator. That's pretty much everything.